Hello children, so let us go on to the continuation of the Heron's formula. So in the first part of the video which I had done, I had taught you how to calculate the area of a triangle using the Heron's formula, and I had also taught you about 3 examples I have taught you. So today in this video, that is part 2, I will be teaching you how this Heron's formula is applied in different examples, especially when we come to the daily life. So how this Heron's formula is applied. For example, I buy a land and I have to find the area. So using the area, using the Heron's formula, I can find the area of the land, and I can use Heron's formula for many purposes, especially when I do not know. I do not know if, suppose I have a quadrilateral, I can find out the area of the quadrilateral by dividing it into 2 triangles. So many things I can do. I had a land which is rectangular or which is a rhombus in shape. I can do it by converting it into 2 triangles. Correct? So today, let us now deal with how to find out the area of lands and all using the Heron's formula. So we are going to apply the Heron's formula here. Let us start with the first sum. So Kamala has a triangular field. So this is a triangular field with sides 240 meters, 200 meters, 360 meters, and she grew wheat over there. In another triangular field with sides 240 meter, 320 meter, 400 meter, adjacent to the previous field, that means next to it, earlier fields next to it, she wanted to grow potatoes and onions. She divided this field into 2 parts by joining the midpoint of the longest side to the opposite vertex, and grew potatoes in one part and onions in the other part. How much area in hectares has been used for wheat, potatoes and onions? So ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲದು ಏರಿಯಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೀಟ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ, ಪೊಟೇಟೋಸ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ, ಆನಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ, and that to area they asked in hectares. So they have given everything in meters, but you have to convert it into hectares. 10,000 meters square is 1 hectare. Means 100 meter into 100 meter is 1 hectare. 100 into 100 is 10,000. 10,000 meters square is 1 hectare. So let us now draw this figure of that land, the triangular field what she had. Let us draw the figure. So I have drawn the figure here. In this figure, she is growing wheat in this particular triangular field. In the triangular field ABC, she is growing wheat. And in another field ACD, triangular field adjacent to the previous field, ACD is adjacent to ABC. In that she is dividing into 2 parts, 1 part for onion and 1 part for potato. So I have drawn the figure here. You can see that the figure is drawn here. So onions here and potato here. So what I'll do is, onion I will just do this, and potatoes I have drawn here. So what we'll do, first we find out the area of the triangle ABC. You're using the Heron's formula, and then we find out the area of triangle ACD using the Heron's formula, and this I'll divide it into 2 equal parts because this is the midpoint. So this midpoint means it will become 2 equal parts. So first I'll do area of triangle ABC. So in a triangle ABC, I know area A is 200 meters, and B is 360 meters, B is 240, B is 240 here, 240, and C is 360. So I'll find out S. S is equal to 200 plus 240 plus 360 divided by 2, semi-perimeter. So 800 divided by 2, I got 400. So for growing of wheat, how much area she has used? So let us see how much area she has used. In this we are doing area of the triangle is using the Heron's formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So S is how much? 400. 400 into 400 minus 200 into 400 minus 240 into 400 minus 360. So 400 into 200 into 160 into 40. So minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು numbers ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So I have multiplied. So what I did for 400, I made 4 into 100. For 200, I did 2 into 100. For 16 and 4 and these two zeros I made as 100. Can you understand? So I'll go little slowly. So 4 is 2 square, 100 is 10 square, this 100 is 10 square, 16 is 4 square, 4 is 2 square, 100 is 10 square, and this 2 error here, this 2. Because this 2 is not having one more 2, so I cannot write square. So I'll remove the square root and cancel all the squares. So 2 into 10 into 10 into 4 into 2 into 10, but this is not having square, so I'll write as root 2 only. So if I multiply all this, I'll get 16,000 root 2 meter square. What is root 2? 1.414. I think when you are doing in the 8th standard or 9th standard, I think you have learned the square root of 2. Square root of 2 is 1.414. So I multiply and I divided by 10,000 because I have to convert it into hectares. Idu bandu meter square. Idu bandu I am converting to hectare. So when I am converting to hectare, I will divide it by so many meter square. So because 1 hectare is 10,000 meter square, I am dividing by 10,000. So when I get the answer, I am getting the answer in 2.26 hectares. So area for growing wheat. For growing wheat, it is 2.26 hectares. Now we will find the area of the triangle ACD. We will find the area of the triangle ACD. So for that, what I have drawn here, I have drawn the same figure here. The same figure I have drawn here. ACD matra draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So to calculate the area of ACD. So in this, A is 240, B is 320 and C is 400. So if I find out the semi-perimeter, 240 plus 320 plus 400 is equal to 960 by 2. So 960 by 2 when I do, I get 480 meters. Now area of this triangle ACD is 480 into 480 minus 240 into 480 minus 320 into 480 minus 400. Okay? Now next step is 480. 480 minus 240 is 240. So I wrote 480 to 240. Then I subtract 160. If I subtract these two, I got 80. So when I take this thing, I get 48 is 16 into 3. Okay? And this is 24 is 6 into 4. For these two zeros, I put 100. For the 16 and this 8, I wrote 4 into 2. And these two zeros, I put 100. 4 square, 6 square, 1 6 and 1 6 and this is 6. So these two, 3 and 2, 6. So 6 and 6, I wrote 6 square. Then for 4, I wrote 2 square. For 100, I wrote 10 square. For 16, I wrote 4 square. For 4, I wrote 2 square. And for 100, I wrote 2 square. And this 2 I have used here. 2 into 3, I have used it. So next step, square root and square will get cancelled. So 4 into 6 into 2 into 10 into 4 into 2 into 10 is 38,400 meters square. So area of the triangle ACD is 38,400 meters square. Now I have to convert it into hectares. So I know that 10,000 square meter square is equal to 1 hectare. So I'll divide by 10,000. I got 3.84 hectares. Now this is 3.84 hectares. Now this part and this part are equal area. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಟು 2 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ 3.84 ಹೆಕ್ಟೇರ್ಸ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ divided by 2, I'll get area of the triangle ACE, this triangle and area of this triangle are equal. So I'll divide 3.84 divided by 2, I get 1.92 hectares each. That means to say area of the onion and area of the potato. So this is an all onion, and this is potato. So onion and potato together is 3.84 hectares, but each one is 3.84 divided by 2, 1.92 and 1.92 hectares. So now you know the total area for wheat, the total area of onions and the total area for potatoes. So the sum gets over here. Okay, now what you have to do is, because it's a lengthy sum ತುಂಬ ಉದ್ದ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎರಡು ಶೀಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬೈ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್. So when you're doing the sum, if you have any doubt, again rewind the video, again see the sum how it is done, and again you have to start doing. Okay, now coming to example number 5. Now the next example, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ಡ್ ಅ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಲಿನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 2 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ವಾಕ್ ದ ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 2 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 2 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 1 group walked AB, BC and CA. That means in that street they walked. In the street AB, BC and CA ಆ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. While another group, they walked in the road AC, CD and DA. So I draw the figure. Then they cleaned the areas enclosed within their lanes. So AB is 9, BC is 40. So I've drawn here. AB is 9, BC is 40 and CD is 15 and DA is 28. Angle B is 90 degrees. So one group walked in this lane, another group walked in this lane. So you should see that who covered more area for cleaning, whether the group 1 or the group 2 covered more area for cleaning. Now ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ, first what we will do is we will find the area of the triangle ABC. Now you can see ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. I can find the area using the formula half into base into height. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೈಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಹೈಟು. ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಹೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಸಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ, ಎ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares on the remaining 2 sides anta. So 9 square plus 40 square, 9 square plus 40 square, 9 square is 81, 40 square is 1600. That is, when I add these two, I'll get 1681. That means 1681. So AC is equal to, since it is a square, I take the square root of 1681. So AC is equal to 41. So I'm going to write here 41 meters. I wrote 41 meters. 41 meters. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು 41 meters ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. Now what we'll do, find the area of this triangle using the Heron's formula. And for this triangle, we need not use the Heron's formula. We can do directly half into base into height, because I'm having height. Height is 90 degrees. Now you can see area of the triangle, angle B is 90 degrees. Half into base into height. So half into 9 into 40. So 2 ones are 2 20s are 20 into 9, 180 meter square bantu. Okay, now 180 meter square ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಈ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 28, 15 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 41 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 41. ಸೊ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್, and A is 28, B is 15 and C is 41. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is equal to 84 by 2. So S bantu 42 bantu. So now ivaga next to area of the triangle ACD. Area of triangle ACD is 42 into 42 minus 28, 42 minus 15 into 42 minus 41. That is equal to 42 into 14 into 27 to 1. So 42 ಗೆ ನಾನು 14 into 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, because 14 into 3 is 42 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 14 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 27ಗೆ 9 into 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ 14 into 14, 14 square, 3 into 3, 3 square. For 9 I wrote 3 square. So that is equal to now 14 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 14 into 9, that is equal to 126 meters square. So first area of the triangle ಬಂದು 180 meter square ಆಯಿತು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ 126 meter square ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಹೂ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ಡ್ ಮೋರ್? First group cleaned 180 meter square and second group cleaned 126 meter square. So first group cleaned more area by how much? You should subtract, you will get 54 meter square more. So they cleaned 54 meter square more, first group. So total area nu kelidare. Total area ಬಂದು first group ಬಂದು 180, second group they have cleaned 126. So total area cleaned by both the groups is equal to 306 meters square. 306 meters square they cleaned. Now, so this is the second sum. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. So now we'll come to the last example. In the last example, I'm having Sanya has a piece of land in the shape of a rhombus. Rhombus ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಆಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ. ರಾಂಬಸ್ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಇದು ಬಂದು 400. ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ 400. Perimeter of the land is 400. So 100 is all the sides. So what she does is she gives one part to her daughter and one part she giving to her son. Now I have drawn a diagonal here and this diagonal is 160 meters. When I draw a diagonal in the rhombus, it divides this into two equal areas. This area ಮತ್ತು this area is equal ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಫಾರ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಂತ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಏರಿಯಾ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಬಿ ದ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಾಂಬಸ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. Now perimeter is 4 into a, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ all sides equal ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 4 into a. So 4a is 400, a is equal to 100. Now area of the triangle ABC, area of the triangle ABC is equal to area of the triangle ACD. Both the areas are equal because diagonal divides a parallelogram into two equal areas. So A ಬಂದು ಸೊ A ಬಂದು 100, B ಕೂಡ 100 ಮತ್ತು C is 160. So I am going to find out S is equal to 360 by 2. That's equal to 180 meters. So area is equal to square root of 180 into 180 minus 100 into 180 minus 100 into 180 minus 160. So 180 into 80 into 80 into 20 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 180ಗೆ ನಾನು 9 into 20 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ 80ಗೆ 80 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ 20 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ 20 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 20 into 20 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 9ಗೆ ನಾನು 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದೆರಡು 20ಗೆ ನಾನು 20 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ 80 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ 3 into 20 into 80 is 4800 meters square. ಸೊ ಡಾಟರ್ ಕೂಡ 4800 meters square ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಸನ್ ಕೂಡ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 8800, ಇದು 4800, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಡಾಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, 4800 meters square of each land. Both the children will, one each child will get. Son will get 4800 and daughter will get 4800. So have you understood? Have you understood? Any doubts? ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ, ಆ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ, ನಾನು ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಸಿ ಕೂಡ, ಮತ್ತು ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ 2-3 ಸಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. And my next class is on coordinate geometry. I will be teaching you coordinate geometry. So as of now, bye children. Take care. Be safe at home.